Nigerian High Court corrects the cut-off mark injustice in admission for all unity schools, hence why Southeast region requires an average mark of 134 while just 2 for northern states candidates. According to Justice Soho of the Federal High Court in Abuja, the state-based admission inequality in federal government colleges is unconstitutional. He therefore ordered the Nigerian government to apply uniform cut-off marks to all candidates seeking admission into federal government colleges, otherwise known as unity schools, irrespective of their states of origin. A human rights lawyer and former president of the Nigeria Bar Association (NBA), Mr. Olisa Agbakoba SAN, has instituted the suit against the federal government of Nigeria and the Minister of Education, challenging the prescribed different cut-off marks for different states based on candidates' gender and their states of origin. Agbakoba argued that the decision of the defendants violates the candidates' fundamental right to freedom from discrimination guaranteed by Section 42, subsection 1 of the 1999 Constitution. He had argued that Section 42 of the 1999 Constitution prohibits administrative or executive actions by the government that discriminate between Nigerians on grounds of ethnicity, gender, religion, and place of origin. Agbakoba has asked the court to declare that the administrative acts of respondents, particularly the Minister of Education, which prescribes and applies different requirements, including cut-off marks for candidates seeking admission into federal government colleges based on gender, ethnicity, state of origin, among others, is discriminatory against applicants' grandchildren and the group or class they represent on grounds of ethnicity, state of origin, gender, etc., and therefore violates Section 42, subsection 1 of the 1999 Constitution. He also prayed for an order directing the respondents, particularly Minister of Education, to apply uniform admission requirements, especially cut-off marks, to all candidates seeking admission into federal government colleges, notwithstanding their gender, states of origin, ethnicity, etc. An order of perpetual injunction restraining the respondent, particularly the Minister of Education, whether by itself, its agents, servants, brevis, or otherwise howsoever, from further acts of discrimination in admission to federal government colleges. In a 19-paragraph affidavit, Agbakoba had averred that since the inception of the Unity School, the federal government has maintained great disparity in admission requirements for candidates wishing to be admitted into the federal government colleges. In particular, he had argued that the federal government prescribed different cut-off marks for different states. After hearing arguments from counsel for the parties, the court ordered that the federal government and the Minister of Education should apply a uniform cut-off mark to all candidates seeking admission into federal government colleges, irrespective of their states of origin. 134 average for Southeast, as low as 2 marks for Zamfara State. In July 2021, Sahara reporters reported how the Federal Ministry of Education pegged cut-off marks for admission into the 104 unity schools nationwide at 134 on average for 5 Southeast states, while states in the north had a cutoff of 20 marks and even below. This cutoff is out of the total of 300 marks. Sahara reporters had obtained the cutoff list as released by the ministry for the 2020-2021 academic year, showing the huge disparity between the cutoff marks which candidates from Southeast and Southwest states should have and what the candidates from North should obtain. According to the breakdown, Anambra had the highest cutoff mark of 139 marks for both males and females, Imo 138, Enugu 134, Lagos 133, Delta 131, Ogun 131, Abia 130 and Edo. Osun and Oyo were among the 10 top with the highest cutoff marks, with both of them having 127 marks. Sahara reporters observed that the least 10 cutoff marks for Unity School were all northern states: Gombe 58, Nasarawa 58, Borno 45, Jigawa 44, Bauchi 35. Kebbi had 9 for males and 20 for females. Also, Sokoto had 9 for males and 13 for females. Zamfara has 4 marks for males and 2 for females. Taraba and Yobe were the least states, with Taraba having 3 for males and 11 for females, while Yobe had 2 for males and 27 for females. The cutoff marks were reportedly released by the National Examination Council, NEC. Some pupils are admitted into Unity School with as low as 2 marks in the common entrance examination, while some can only get the same school with at least 130 marks. Slowly, mediocrity had crept in. While a candidate from Anambra State has to struggle for 139, a candidate from Zamfara is looking at just 4 marks. Yes, it is true that the quota system is meant to give educationally disadvantaged regions of the country an opportunity to access quality education, but the gap is ridiculous. Merit should also be a strong consideration, an education expert who did not want his name in print has explained. This material was culled from Sahara Reporters. Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.